Good morning children, welcome to Narayana Live Classes key discussion. Today we have started the revision and today's topic, revision topic is what is the lesson? Our earth. And as a part of this lesson we might have learned about the interior of the earth and we might have learned about the different movements of the earth. All these things we have completed, latitudes, longitudes, the time calculation, all these things. So based upon that the first assignment has been given to you. As usual, we have six multiple choice questions and we have the answers, question answers. The shape of the Earth's orbit is. The shape of the Earth's orbit is it a circular one or elongated oval or scale oval or rectangular? It is a scale oval shape. It is not an elongated oval shape, but it is a scale oval shape or not perfectly a circle. The speed of Earth's travel around the Sun is 1,07,200 kmph. It is 1,07,200 kmph. The thickness of outer core is 2,900 to 5,100. The thickness of the core is 2,900 to 6,376. Outer core is 2,900 to 5,100. Inner core is 5,100 to 6,376. Okay. And the standard meridian of India. What is the standard meridian of India? 82.5 degrees east. 82.5 degrees east is taken as the standard meridian of the time taken by Earth to cross one longitude is 4 minutes. The time taken by Earth to cross one longitude is 4 minutes. The environmental crisis from the following. That is global warming. Global warming is the main environmental crisis, and soil fertility or water or rainfall, they are not the environmental crisis. How can you say that Earth is still active? How can we say that Earth is still active? Because of the eruption of the volcanoes, or the next one is earthquakes. And the second one is due to the plane movements. What is happening? The formation of the crust takes place every time. Formation of crust is taking place every time. What is happening is whenever the plates move, what happens? That particular mantle will go for melting. When it melts and due to this sea floor spreading, this particular part is pulled, and due to that what happens? It comes onto the earth surface, that is onto the crust. When it forms onto the crust, what happens? This crust solidifies immediately, forming the base, solid base. And meanwhile, what happened? The other part of the crust will be moving in, and once again the mantle goes on melting. So that is what is happening is the mantle or crust or the activities in the core will be continuously going on. Hence, we can say very easily that Earth is still active. So the formation of the crust and the eruption of the volcanoes and the occurrence of the earthquakes are the best examples to show that the Earth is still active. Standard time and local time. What is standard time? Standard time is the central meridian chosen by a country. Central meridian chosen by a country according to their convenience. Whereas what is meant by local time? Local time means the sunrise the sun rays fall vertically at noon. Based upon that, the time is calculated in that particular area. This is called as the local time. Standard time means the government will choose a central meridian. This is the difference between the standard time and the local time. Okay children, tomorrow we will meet with one more assignment key. Until then children, have a nice day and good day. Thank you.